Hello viewers, welcome to another new video. In this video I'm going to explain how to connect PostgreSQL database into ASP.NET MVC project smoothly. So I already built and we have a product business ERP. In this project I will explain step by step how you can connect your PostgreSQL database into your ASP.NET MVC project without any hassle and smoothly. So let's start. So first I will explain connection string. Then we have to you have to make sure your PostgreSQL database, you have to download PostgreSQL. How you can download? Just go to the browser and type PostgreSQL download. Let me show you. Download. So already we have a download link. So PostgreSQL is supported multiple platform, Linux, macOS, Windows. So as I'm using Windows machines, I already download and install for my Windows machine. So and you have to install PostgreSQL client. So PG admin. So you have to make sure the PG admin as well. PG admin for PostgreSQL database client for browsing database and writing SQL queries. Using that tool you can easily write down and execute SQL queries. So let me show you my PG admin. So I already install and configure everything, and if we just explain the connection string regarding the PostgreSQL connection. So you have to pass your host name. So I already install in my local. So host is localhost. Port number is for PostgreSQL is 5432. Database is business ERP. User ID is PostgreSQL, and password password is your password for accessing PostgreSQL. So I said password dev12345 So if you pass this connection string properly, then easily you can connect your PostgreSQL database into ASP.NET MVC application. Let's start with the wrong connection string. I'm just passing some random number here for passing the wrong local host. So if we run the project now by passing the wrong connection string, especially the host name, then what happened we can check in the first attempt. Then we will make sure the right connection string, then we can check the actually what happened, is connection string right or not, or if we connect, if we can connect a PostgreSQL properly or not. So this is login screen, and if we try to log in, then system will try to connect database. Then actually what happened we can see. Then let me click the login button. Then application is trying to connect database. Then it will facing an error. So no such host is known. So we get the expected error. So host name is wrong. And now I'm going to close the application and try to pass the right connection string. So running the project again for checking the SQL connection, PostgreSQL connection string. So login screen again, and I'm going to click the login button. So hopefully this time system will connect the database properly. So as still we don't get any error, so hopefully I'm expecting we will successfully connect the database. So as we can see, and if we go to the customer info, then we can able to get the customer list into the jQuery data table grid view. So first important things we successfully make sure the database connection with the application and database. And if we explore and explain the database and refresh, using pgadmin, I'm browsing my database. So let me cross check the database name. So our database name is business ERP, and if we go to the pgadmin again, here is the business ERP, and you have to go to the schemas for the table. Check the list of table, and if I click the tables, then you can easily see the list of table for this application. So we have successfully connected the PostgreSQL database from ASP.NET MVC application. So if I going to summarize these things again, so you have to make sure your connection is synced properly into app setting.json file, and another things you have to make sure which is into the program.cs file. I'm considering you properly pass the connection string here properly. So for PostgreSQL, you have to use npgsql, and you have to install PostgreSQL NuGet package, which is let me show you, which is and npgl entity framework code PostgreSQL. So for .NET 8 8.0.11 is stable right now. So you have to install NuGet package, and you have to make sure using the builder instance, you have to make sure the connection you have to make sure the pass the connection string with use npgsql. Another important things for regarding the date time, so you might get struggle and getting unexpected issue for date time, which is like you have to configure if I go to the application DB context, then you have to configure just one line for make sure the time issue. Initially I'm getting unexpected issue browsing my data related entry. So app context.set switch this string npgsql.enable legacy timestamp behavior true. If you pass these things properly, then you will not get any issue in your ASP.NET MVC application. And I already explained the required NuGet packages and the how to bind the connection string into program.cs file. You option.use npgl. If you use the SQL server, then it will be SQL server, and as we are going to use my PostgreSQL, then it will be use npgsql. And into connection string, we just properly pass the connection string. So I'm going to close this video. Before close this video, let me give you a simple overview. Business ERP is complete solution for managing your small company like sales, purchase and expense with reporting, and we have additional features like POS modules, also human resource, and like warehouse management and accounting modules. Lots of features and lots of reporting. If you are interested, then you can get entire project source code from just click the buy now and go to the code canyon and get. If you purchase, if you are interested, then you can purchase and get the entire project source code. So thank you for watching this video, and let me summarize. So first, you have to make sure ASP.NET MVC project with Visual Studio latest version, you can use community. Then you have to install PostgreSQL. Just go to the PostgreSQL /download, and then for browsing the PostgreSQL, you need a client which is pgadmin. So two things, once you're done installation into your local machine, then you will have a like this UI pgadmin. I'm using pgadmin 4 now, and I can browse my database properly without any issue. And from the project using Visual Studio into app setting.json file, if you pass the proper connection string, which is host is local host, port number is 5432, database in your database name, user ID your PostgreSQL user ID, and password is your PostgreSQL password. If I go to the PostgreSQL PG admin, then let me just check the login. So we have a like PostgreSQL user, so you can create new user and set password accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are interested, then just click the buy button, and if you go to there for purchasing this application, after purchase you will get the following things. So this is complete source code, complete database, complete project documentation, ERD diagram, architecture diagram, video tutorials, and free tech support. And also, if required, I will give you tech support by connecting your local machine through AnyDesk, and that's all.